Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to scan QR codes on HONOR MagicBook. There are two ways of doing that depending on if you're scanning a QR code that's displaying on your laptop screen or that you have physically in person. So I'm gonna show you the physically in person option first because I have a QR code on my phone. And so let's go to the camera app, and then allow microphone. You don't have to allow microphone, the camera is the most important, and location you can also skip that. Then I'm just gonna open the camera. By the way, if you don't know where the camera is on this laptop, you can just click on this button and it'll open the camera. Now you can just position, first we need to switch to the correct mode, which is this one. Now you can just position the QR code in the range of the camera and click on the link. Now I can hide the camera, so I'm just gonna click on it and close the camera app. And you can see I'm in the website. But you can also scan the QR codes that are shown on your screen by going to QRScanner.net. Then find the QR code that you want to scan. So I'll just go to any website that I know will show me any QR code. And then click on Windows Shift and S or print screen on your keyboard. No, I didn't want to use that actually. I need to switch it to the rectangle, then select this portion of the screen. Now I can go here to the QRScanner.net, click on Ctrl-V to paste it, and then you can see it's pasted, so I can click on that link and it'll go to that link. You can also click here to copy it to your clipboard. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.